Here's how to create a vast.ai account, add credits, rent a GPU instance, and connect to it through Jupyter or SSH to run AI workloads in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to get affordable GPU power for AI projects without buying expensive hardware. One reason vast AI is often described as up to 90% cheaper than major cloud providers is that it operates as a marketplace where individuals and companies rent out unused GPUs, creating competition that can significantly lower hourly prices. First, create or log into your vast AI account. Once you reach the dashboard, look for your account menu and wallet section. This is where you'll manage credits and rentals. Once you're inside, open the billing or wallet page and add funds to your account. After the payment is complete, you'll see your available balance displayed on screen. Next, open the search or rent GPU section. You'll see a large list of available GPU offers showing hourly pricing, VRAM, storage, and provider information. Then, use the filters to narrow results by GPU model, memory size, location, or maximum hourly cost. This makes it easier to find a machine that fits your workload and budget. After that, select the GPU offer and review the machine specifications carefully. You'll see details such as CPU resources, storage capacity, internet speed, and rental pricing. Now, choose a template or Docker image. Common options include Jupyter, PyTorch, ComfyUI, and other AI environments that are already configured for you. Once you've selected the template, configure storage size and launch settings. You'll see options for disk space, Jupyter access, SSH access, and runtime settings. Click Rent, Create Instance, or Launch Instance. The deployment process will begin immediately. Next, wait until the instance status changes to running. You'll then see connection options such as Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Lab, Terminal Access, or SSH details. Open your preferred connection method and start running your AI workload. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Open the template section, choose a pre-built template like ComfyUI or Jupyter, select a compatible GPU, and launch it using the default settings. One common issue is leaving instances running after you're done. Billing continues while an instance remains active, so always stop or destroy unused instances. Once everything is set, you'll have a running GPU instance with Jupyter, SSH access, or an AI application ready for model training, inference, or image generation. Following the simple steps makes creating a vast AI account, adding credits, renting a GPU instance, and connecting through Jupyter or SSH quick and easy.